welcome. I've got a lovely Temu craft haul for you today. I've been waiting for this one. It actually came quicker than I thought it would. So yeah, let's get on with it. I'm going to put it on my knee now because obviously my space isn't big enough. Right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, I love that, more tissue. I have a couple of them already, but I wanted to get another one to add to my stash. And those as well, I've got them in various sizes, but I plan to do quite a few things with them, so I just thought, you know what, I'm going to get another size. And this one as well, I love this, the moons. Possibly a tray or something, I haven't decided yet. This one, another thing for the music collab, possibly. You might guess the theme. But yeah, yeah, I like this one. It appealed to my humour. I think I got a few of them in this one. Oh, these, right. I ordered these. It said with small witches' hats with brooms. But when they've come, you'll see in a minute when I get them out. Look at the size of the broom compared to the hat. So I was a little bit confused. The hats are quite big, but I'm sure I will find something to do with them. I was hoping the brooms would be bigger and the hats would be smaller, but... Oh, and this is for the Wet n Wild collab. I just thought they were really cute little sea creatures. Oh yeah, that's like a... Well, you know what that's meant to be by the picture. But I just thought it was cute. Yeah, I thought that was funny as well. I just had to get that. I love them stickers. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gorgeous. I absolutely fell in love with that. It's slightly bigger than I thought, but I'll still use it because I love it. Oh, some tiny little turtles. Yeah, if you've seen my videos, you'll see I've already got the sort of little green and white ones. But these were like multicoloured and I just thought they were really cute. So I'm going to add them into my seaside stash for sure. Look at them little pink ones. Multicoloured. They're cute as. So yeah, more turtles incoming. Oh, drink a coffee there in my cauldron cup. Yeah, suits my personality. There might be a few of you actually agreeing with that. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Oh, another frog. Well, I think this one's a toad. Yeah, I think it's more of a toad. So I may do some Froggy Fridays now and then. I doubt I'll do it every week, but... Oh, just some really thin paintbrushes. More nails. You might know me and my nails. Oh yeah, that's another one for the Wet n Wild. I like that. Again, in the tarot card style. Another one for the music collab. Although they are bigger as well. That one I got originally ordered for the gaming one because I was going to do, well, a game. But I ended up not doing it. Oh, what are these? Oh yeah, I had actually ordered these thinking they had, like when it's turned on the side there, that size. But actually the picture was just showing you what they were like from the side. I thought they were like mixed round and candle type ones, but never mind. Yeah, the emotional dumpster fire. I can relate to that sometimes. Oh, another little turtle. I thought that was cute too. I'm having to like stock up on my sea life stuff now. The homebody, yep, that's me. For sure. I swear if I didn't have to go out and like get shopping, I would definitely just stay at home. Oh, these, you see, these are more in keeping with the hat. But then I've got them ridiculous little brooms, so... I did have an idea for them originally, but now that they're bigger than I thought, I'm not too sure. But I'll see what I can do. Oh yeah, more things for the music. Well, music idea, not necessarily the collab. I love this. It's going on the wall right next to me, crafting because murder is wrong. It just suits my sense of humour, sarcasm. Yeah, that's a birthday card for a friend, but I love that. Or I might use Dimmy crafting and get her another, who knows. Now this one I love. I mean, I don't think you can see all, I'm trying to show you there all the witches. Yeah, there's all different witches in various shapes in there. Not that you can really see that very well. But yeah, I'm getting one out at the moment to show you the moon. I mean, it's quite big, that. So that should be quite cool to make. And then obviously, like, you can put different witches with it. So I'm definitely going to make that. I'm just not sure what I'm going to do yet. But all I knew was it was really cool. By the way, I apologise if you can hear any funny noises in the background. My little dog is right next to me and he's snoring. Well, it's more like a whistle, but... Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, I didn't get them all out to show you, but that's one of them anyway. I'm just going to show you there generally what they look like together, which I thought was cool. Love it. I mean, I'm already thinking possibly like a really nice wall hanging, you know, just put a little loop on the back and hang it on the wall. Look pretty cool. Or have a witch sort of dangling off the moon and make the witches interchangeable. I haven't really decided yet. Oh, what's this one? Oh, yes, I think it's a candle mould, but I'm going to adapt it and make it into a tea light holder. Just absolutely love the design on it. I might actually do that next, to be fair. I just fell in love with it. It's got some beautiful details in it. Reminded me a little bit like Art Deco. I mean, I'm not entirely sure till I make it, but I think so, because I absolutely love Art Nouveau, Art Deco. I'm vintage, what can you expect? Oh, there's another one. That's, yeah. Possible music collab. Or something else I do have in me mind at the moment. There you go, there's the Art Deco again. My bedroom is actually all Art Deco style. I love it. What's this one? Oh yeah, the little cat with the third eye. I thought that was quite cute as well. So yeah, watch out for all these coming. I'm looking forward to making a lot of these. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.